Hello everyone, Andy from Buddha Builds PCs back here with another short. Today it's a little guide how to replace thermal paste EVGA GTX 1060. First of all, go ahead, flip it over. I want to come to the back side. You got 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. Take those out, set them aside, somewhere where you'll keep them. Come to the back side where you got all your ports. Little notch right down there. Make sure when you're pulling up on the back plate, pull out so that notch gets out, otherwise you won't be able to fully get it out. Before you do fully get it out, you'll have one plug right there. Come to the back side, have another plug right there. Make sure you get those out, then you'll fully be able to remove this back plate and get to the thermal paste.